Okay, just to briefly cover on chapter 13 related to beverage, there really is only one difference when we're looking at perpetual versus periodic. And one of the things is the development of your own par stock number. Now, one of the things I'm going to do is just kind of give you a brief example, actually using from the homework. So we have Gordon's Gin, and one of the things that we have is our daily usage amount is going to be 4 bottles. And if we just look at some of the information, our order frequency, let's see, perpetual measure is every 2 weeks. So every 2 weeks. So what I'm going to do is, instead of putting 2 weeks, I'm going to translate that into 14 days. Then the next piece of information we have is delivery requires 6 days. And then what we are dealing with after that is a safety factor of 50%. Now, the way I'm going to do the safety factor is the way I did it last time, and I'm doing 1.5 because if you think about it, with the safety factor, we are going to increase the number we have by 50%. So we need to take that original number and then increase it by 50%. So the first thing that we need to do with this right here is develop our par stock number. So what we can do is, in order to do that, we can take our daily usage, multiply it by our order frequency, and then we're going to multiply it by our safety factor. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to take our daily usage, multiply by our order frequency, because that's what we're going to use over those 14 days, and then we're going to multiply that by our safety factor. So we know that for this Gordon's Gin, we want to have a par stock of 84. And then from here, once you develop that, you can use all the rest of this information to come up with your reorder point, figure out what your normal usage is going to be from the days of delivery, and then your reorder amount, and then you can do your double check. So it's pretty much just like what we did with food for the perpetual and the periodic ordering methods. The only real difference is with the alcohol, we develop our own par stock number, and then we move forward. So hopefully this will help you get through homework number 13. For chapter 14, there will not be a let me go ahead and pull that up just to make sure. There will not be integrity video, and for 15 there will not be integrity video, because it is pretty simple and straightforward as far as calculating information. When you think about the cost per drink, coming up with a sales price based on your cost percentage and those types of things. We've already done this before, so those are going to be just like the other ones. I just wanted to add this because there was a small subtle difference from there.